Technological device. Hi, my name is Jose Jared Cruz. Today I'm going to talk about two gaming devices, the Nintendo Game Boy and the Xbox Series X. Both consoles are for playing video games, but they are very different in size, functions, and technology. Game Boy. When I was younger, I used to carry my Game Boy everywhere. It was small, light, and easy to use. I could play in the car at school or at home. My Game Boy worked with batteries and was very resistant. Not everyone had one, but it was affordable and fun. Xbox Series X. The Xbox Series X is very different. It's bigger and heavier, and it needs electricity. It has amazing graphics, many functions, and I can play online with people all over the world. I bought my Xbox with my own money and it gives me lots of fun and new experience every day. 10 short sentences. 1. I used to carry my Game Boy everywhere. 2. The Xbox Series X is bigger than the Game Boy. 3. The Game Boy was lighter than the Xbox. 4. My Game Boy worked with batteries, but the Xbox needs electricity. 5. Not everyone had a Game Boy in the past. 6. People didn't watch videos on the Game Boy. 7. The Game Boy was cheaper than the Xbox. 8. I played with friends next to me knew I play online on Xbox. 9. The Game Boy was more resistant than the Xbox. 10. I bought my Xbox with my own money. Conclusion. Both devices are important in gaming history. The Game Boy was simple, portable, and revolutionary in its time. The Xbox Series X is modern, powerful, and versatile. Technology has changed a lot, but both consoles share the same purpose to entertain people and give the great experience through video games. Thank you for watching.